Step number 1, grab your mobile phone. Step number 2, click play and watch a YouTube video. Step number 3, get paid real money and real cash inside your account. It's as simple as that. I encourage you to pause your current activities and carefully examine the various payments displayed. These individuals are earning substantial amounts of money simply by watching YouTube videos similar to the one you're watching now. It's truly remarkable, isn't it? And the best part is, you can also receive genuine monetary compensation. This process is incredibly effortless and straightforward, especially for newcomers who have never earned money online before. I want you to know that this is absolutely for free. You don't have to spend any money at all to do this, and this is available worldwide in all countries in the world. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video or new methods to make money online, you will be the first to know about my strategy, tips, and tricks so that you will be ahead of your competitors and start making real money. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. And if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, please do feel free to leave a comment down below so that whenever I see them, I can immediately answer and accommodate you guys and give you all the information that you need. And also, if you want my recommendation in order for you to make a full-time passive income online, please click the link in the video description down below, and I will share with you my methods, my strategies, and everything that I do to make a full-time passive income online. So first of all, I want you to come into this website, which is followfast.com. Now, basically, this website offers us an opportunity to make money online by simply watching videos. So take a look at all these recent withdrawal history, and they are showing you people from all over the world that are cashing out real money every single day. Now, take a look at this. This is just today. Now you can see that this website is very transparent on how much money you're actually earning and how much you can cash out. Now, I want you to take a look at all these people right here from different countries that are able to cash out their earnings. So right now, I want you to follow every step in this video so you can start earning. Okay, once you go to the homepage of followfast.com, I want you to go and click on this join button right here. And then you're gonna land on this page where you can register for free and sign up for a free account. So first off, you're going to put in your username right here, your email address, your password, and confirm your password again. And now, the location. They automatically detect your location right here. Don't worry. They accept people from all over the world. So as you can see here, I'm gonna put in my username. Now, you can put whatever you want. And then I'll put in my email address right here and password. So right over here, enter the CAPTCHA. Now you just have to type in whatever numbers that you see right here. And once I fill in all my details, I'm just going to click on this blue join button right here. So as you can see here, once you log in into your account, you can see something like this. And don't you worry. You can do this on your phone, and you can do this on your computer as well. Now, I want you to take a look at this at the top. You can see here your account is not yet confirmed, and you need to confirm your email address to cash out your points. Now, first off, I want you to click on this link right here on top. And then you're gonna come on to this page where you have to confirm your email address. So in this case, I'll just do something like this. I'll put in my email address and type in the numbers right here to confirm, and I'll click on this confirm email button. So that's all you need to fully set up your account. So right now, once you come to the homepage of your dashboard, I want you to go and click on this YouTube button. Now, as you can see here, play, like, dislike, and subs. Now, I want you to click on this red button right here, the play button. So as you can see, when I come onto this page, when you scroll down below here, this is where you can watch YouTube videos and actually make money online. Now, pay attention. The first tip that I want to give you is you have to watch the YouTube videos for at least 35 seconds in order to earn points. Now, once you earn the points, you can actually exchange them into actual money. Now, in this case, when you watch this video, you earn 9 points by just doing that. So all you have to do is click on this blue play button right here, and then that's going to take you to the YouTube video, as you can see right here. And then when you go back to the website, you can see here, they start to count down for the 35 seconds. Now, once these go from 35 seconds to 0, you can earn points just by doing that. That means you don't actually have to watch the videos. You can actually just pause the video right here, and when you go back to the website, you just have to wait for another 35 seconds, and you can earn 9 points by just doing that. Now, let me show you another example. When I scroll down below, these are the points. Now, go ahead and click on this play button right here, and again, I'll go on to these YouTube videos, and I just pause the video. I don't actually have to watch it, and I'll just go back to the website, and as you can see here, points are automatically added to my balance. You can see here that I earned points right now. This is actually very simple and very easy, and you can watch as much YouTube videos as you want. So right now, I want to give you another bonus tip where you can earn double or even triple your money. So for example, if you're gonna watch this video right here, and you can earn this amount of points, now what you can do is that you can open up a new tab using your phone or computer, and you can watch another second video and earn another amount of points. And you can actually watch both videos at the same time. This means you don't have to waste 35 seconds just by watching one video. And again, you can do this as much as you want, and even 5, 7, or even 10 videos at the same time. So for example, you can open up this tab and watch this video, click on the play button right here, and you can open up another tab by watching a second video by just clicking on the play button again. This is a very cool and very efficient way to watch 5 to 10 to 20 videos at the same time. Now, by watching a lot of YouTube videos, you can make a lot of money so much faster compared to other people. So as you can see here, the stack credit point added to your balance, and right here, when I go back to this page, points are automatically added to your balance. So right now, I'm gonna give you another bonus tip. Is that when you're watching the YouTube videos just like this one, when you go to the settings right here, I want you to make sure that you can actually play the videos faster by changing the playback speed from normal to double. So it actually depends on you. So another tip that I will give you is that when you go to the quality section right here, by default, you're going to choose on automatic. Okay, if you have a very slow internet or you're using a very limited data, you want to select on 144p right here so that you can watch the lowest quality, and that's gonna save you a lot of time. That's gonna save you a lot of data, and you can watch a lot of videos more efficiently, and that's going to result in much more money that you earn. So right now, let's move on to the next bonus tip. Now, we click on this daily bonus button right here. You're going to come into this page where you can claim daily or even hourly bonus points. Now, as you can see here, free points every single day. Now, you just have to log into your account every day and then watch at least 15 videos. And then you can get at least 100 daily points by doing that. That's a lot of points, right? So if you want to cash out your money, just go and click on this cash out button right here, and then you're gonna come over to this page where you can choose a payment method to cash out your money. Now, for example, you can cash out using PayPal, Perfect Money, or also Bitcoin. Now, if you don't have these payment methods right here, don't worry, because you can cash out on more different payment methods. You can see here, they're accepting people from all over the world, and they're accepting a lot of different payments. So basically, this is how it works. Once you earn points by watching videos, you can convert those points into actual money. And then all you need is just $1.50 in order to cash out your money. That is the minimum payout system, meaning once you earn $1.50, you can receive and withdraw your money. And then you just have to wait for 3 to 5 business days in order to receive your money. So continue on doing this every single day for more bonus points, and just don't give up. This is an easy way for you to earn money, and only a few people know about this. So use this strategy to your advantage. Now before we end the video, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you will be the first to know about the strategy tips and tricks to make more money online. And also, if you want my recommendation in order for you to make a full-time passive income online, please click the link in the video description down below, and I will share with you my methods, my strategies, and everything that I do to make a full-time passive income online. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.